formula. Dividend equals quotient into divisor plus remainder. Properties of division. Division by 1. When a number is divided by 1, the quotient is the number itself and the remainder is 0. Division by itself. When a number is divided by itself, the quotient is 1 and the remainder is 0. Dividing 0 by a number. When 0 is divided by a number, the quotient is 0. Dividing by 0. We cannot divide a number by 0. It is meaningless. For example, 5 divided by 0 has no meaning. Thank you. Love you all.
And previous, some English people, they criticize us. So, you don't know any maths like that. But actually, one greatest innovation done thousands of years back. Who is that person? Without that, we cannot live. Without that, we cannot count. Without that, we cannot do anything. What is that?
Maths.
One number. I am telling about one number. One number introduced our scientist. What is name?
Zero.
Who is it? Who is the scientist name?
Aryabhatta.
Because see, some English people they criticize one of our mathematician. So what you know zero like that. They criticize that. So our mathematician, he given answer to him. Without zero, you cannot count anything. Correct, na? In decimals, it is very difficult to count without zero. So if suppose 0.1, some bigger number, some smaller number, how we will count? 0.001 only we can count. And after 1, what they introduced, if you put 0 only, it value. 1 after put 0, 10. 10 times increase that. After 0, 100. So he given. So actually, the mathematician is our mother language. Ancient is. Because of that only our scientists like Greek rishis, they find what is the distance between Earth and Sun. What is the distance between Earth and Sun and Earth and Moon. See in Hanuman Chalisa one line is there. In that Hanuman, he will meet to Surya, then he will take lessons from Surya. In that Hanuman Chalisa, one word is there. तेज प्रताप महाजिगवंदन विद्यावान गुणी अति चातुर राम काज करिबेको आतुर some yojanas 365 yojanas he crossed to reach Surya Bhagwan Surya Mandala. So when it is Treta Yuga, Treta Yuga means some lakhs of years back, the distance our people they find between Earth and Sun. So that is the greatest scientist of our Indian scientists. So please learn about our Indian scientists and you will become a great mathematician. Okay?
Yes.
Thank you.
Acharya World Class Education.